to start a new topic, that is mass and weight. In your board examination, this questions comes always as differentiate between mass and weight. So here we do the differentiate between mass and weight. First of all, what is mass? Mass is the quantity of motion possessed by a body. For example, if we have a body, how many number of atoms present in that specific body? Moreover, mass is a scalar quantity, right? Mass does not change from place to place. Just like if we have a body, it has, for example, 10 number of atoms. Then you can change the position of the body or place of this body, so the number of atoms remains same. The number of atoms will not be increased or decreased. Fourth one is the unit of mass is kg. As you have learned in the previous chapter number 1 that the unit of mass is kg and mass is the basic quantity. It is denoted by m is equal to mass. Right? Now come towards the weight. What is weight? Weight of a body is the force with which earth attracts it. The weight of this body acts downward. Weight is a vector quantity because it is a force. So force is a vector quantity. Vector quantities are those quantities which need to specify both magnitude and direction. The weight of any body changes from place to place because the formula of weight is W is equal to mg. M is the mass. Mass, as we have learned previously, that mass remains always constant. So mass remains constant, but the value of g, this is gravitational acceleration, this value of g changes from place to place. For example, the value of g on earth is 10 meter per second square, but the value of g on moon, if you go to another planet on moon, the value of g becomes 1.16 meter per second square. The unit of mass is kilogram meter per second square because, or Newton, because weight is a force and the unit of force is Newton or kilogram meter per second square. Its formula is W is equal to mg. So this is all about the difference between mass and weight. It is a scalar quantity, it is a vector quantity. Mass does not change from place to place, but the weight changes from place to place. Its unit is kg and the unit of weight is Newton or kilogram meter per second square. The unit, it is denoted by m is equal to mass and it is denoted by W is equal to mg. It changes from place to place because the value of gravitational acceleration slightly changes from place to place. Thank you.